Clearbrow, North Dallas, coming up on Halloween 2024. Just a little day-to-day. Today, finishing up a full wrap on a M5 comp. Just getting ready to put the doors back together. This is typically how we do it, so we don't have any lines shown on any of this. So all this comes out. It comes out real simple. It's just a couple torques and that's it. Moldings come off simple, whatever. Most of the cars are pretty simple. These come off simple too as well, but no bumpers, no rockers, hoods, none of that stuff comes off of cars. The ever so famous GT3 back there. Stingray almost done, full wrap as well. Looking good. Looking good, just need to clean it up. All these will have their own videos when I'm done. This Macan, just getting ready to wrap up on this. I've got the full hood to do, stealth wrap, the door, everything except for the two front doors and the roof and the rear bumper. So I'll pop this out today, but it looks good with the chalk and the satin. You can look at it compared to the rear bumper versus the satin. This ZR2, it was debadged by the client, full front. And this GX, my favorite car, that's a full wrap. That came out of Florida, and that thing, we had a huge decon. It just, most Toyota or Lexus dealers decon the heck out of their cars when they get in. This one's coming out of Japan, so it hits the ships and the the railhead, so it gets a lot of contamination from the iron on the brakes of the trains and whatever else on the boat. So this one was totally covered with it, and it was about a 2-day process to get this thing looking like this. Now it's ready to wrap. Today we'll start the actual process. Over here is another Cybertruck done. Just need to do the windshield, and got this soaped up, ready to shrink. We'll put windshield film out here, shrink it, put it in, big windshield. And then outside I have something else I don't recall, but that's it. So that's our day-to-day here at Clearbrow, North Dallas today, and get all this stuff finished up and get on our way. Appreciate you guys watching our channel. Any questions, let us know. Been in the business over 30 years. Everything we do goes on perfectly, as you can see. There is no compromise. Everything's always getting wrapped in fully. Everything looks fantastic. We use the quality products. Expel, we've been with Expel for over 20 years. And that's it. So everything's got full guarantees in writing and fully insured, obviously. Beautiful facility here in Argyle. And let us know what we can do for you. Phone number 214-414-3809. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com. ClearbrowNorthDallas@gmail.com. If you need to reach us. Thanks for watching. I'm Brent. Take care and have a great 2024 Halloween.